Starting a roofing company can be a great way to enter the construction industry and build a successful business. But what if you have no experience in roofing? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. But first, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. A report by the National Association of Home Builders found that the roofing industry was among the top 5 most commonly subcontracted trades in the residential construction industry last year. This suggests that the roofing industry is a relatively stable and growing sector of the construction industry. To form a business in that industry, the first step is to do your research. You'll need to learn about the roofing industry, including the materials and techniques used in roofing, as well as any regulations and licensing requirements in your area. There are many resources available, including online courses, books, and industry associations. You can also reach out to other roofing professionals in your area to learn from their experience. Once you have a good understanding of the roofing industry, you'll need to create a business plan. This should include a description of your business, your target market, your services, and your pricing strategy. You might be wondering how you can determine your pricing strategy. You'll need to consider factors such as your costs, your competitors' pricing, and the local market demand. It is important to find a balance between being competitive and ensuring you're making a profit. After creating a business plan, you'll need to obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This can vary depending on your location, so be sure to research the requirements in your area. Otherwise, you can save time by having our organization secure every license and permit for you with ease. In many areas, you'll need a contractor's license, as well as permits for any roofing work you do. You may also need to obtain insurance and bonding. Once you have all the necessary licenses and permits, you'll need to start marketing your business and networking with potential clients. This can include attending industry events, reaching out to local construction companies and contractors, and creating a strong online presence. When marketing your company, you'll want to highlight your expertise and quality of work, as well as any unique selling points that set you apart from competitors. It's also important to provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation in the community. Remember, starting a roofing company with no experience requires research, planning, and hard work. By following these steps and building a strong reputation, you can create a successful roofing business. If you want to learn more about how to get your business off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a roofing company? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Drop your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit our notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.